Calcutta Law College, a place of learning now tainted by horror. A young law student has come forward with a chilling allegation. Gang rape by 2 seniors and 1 former student, all inside the college campus. Isn't it ironic? A campus that teaches justice now forced to confront its own criminal collapse. Educational institutions are supposed to be safe zones under UGC and state guidelines. If safety fails here, where is it even real? On June 25th, she visited South Calcutta Law College to submit exam forms. She waited inside the college union room, then something strange happened. She says one of the accused ordered the main gate to be locked. Who gave a student this authority? Was this order documented? Or ignored because of political muscle? Under Indian law, wrongful confinement under IPC section 342 becomes serious when done with criminal intent. Could the gate locking be treated as the first act of conspiracy? What if this had been a fire emergency or medical issue? Locking a campus gate without supervision isn't just risky, it's potentially criminal. And between 7:30 p.m. and 10:50 p.m., nearly 3 long hours, she alleges she was taken to the security guard's room and raped by all 3. 3 hours in a functioning college. No teacher, no peon, no guard walked by. This isn't just a question of individual crime, it hints at an institutional breakdown. Was this place ever under active supervision? Should colleges be legally mandated to install panic buttons or emergency apps for students? If crimes can happen in public campuses, what is the definition of privacy anymore? That very night, she filed a complaint at Casbah police station. The police acted swiftly. Monojit Mishra, 31, ex-student and TMCP youth leader, arrested. Zaib Ahmed, 19, and Promit Mukherjee, 20, both current students, arrested. Phone seized, digital data being analysed, CCTV footage under review. The arrests are swift. Yes, but will the trial be just as swift? Will this case lead to conviction or just join a long list of pending rape cases in India's slow judiciary? And how does student politics interfere in law enforcement? Do political identities give informal immunity, even on campus? The digital evidence collected, mobile location, call logs, WhatsApp chats, may become the backbone of this case, but will it be preserved properly or contaminated like in so many previous investigations? Investigation is ongoing, medical tests are underway, the law is moving very, very fast. As I said, medical tests are underway. The law is moving, but so is public outrage. But can outrage alone bring justice, or does it risk clouding legal objectivity? The role of medical evidence is critical in sexual offences, but are survivors aware of how quickly it must be recorded? Will this case educate people about POCSO, POCC 164 statements and Section 164A medical examinations? And now the questions that matter. Why did this happen in an educational institution? How could the college gates be locked under someone's orders? Where was the staff? The security? Why was the survivor alone for hours on campus without intervention? How do we protect students if institutions fail to protect them? Should colleges now be held vicariously liable in such cases? If a corporate office can be sued for employee harassment, why not academic institutions for student assaults under their roof? Is it time for a Campus Safety Act in India, one that makes safety audits mandatory every semester? But here's a bigger concern. Are we rushing to compare this case with past horrors like RG Kar Medical College or Dhananjoy Chatterjee's controversial execution? Is this turning into a trial by media before facts are fully known? Can public narrative be reversed if proven false later? And what happens if even one accused is innocent? Do we apologise or simply move to the next outrage? The real risk here is that media replaces courts and emotion replaces evidence. The law must walk a fine line to support survivors but not abandon due process, because real justice means The survivor is heard without shame, the accused are judged by law, not headlines, and the system ensures truth, not emotion, wins. The survivor deserves dignity, not drama. The accused deserves trial, not television verdicts. And the system deserves reform, not just a headline cycle that dies in 2 weeks. So ask yourself, in our fight for justice, are we defending truth or just chasing noise? Do we want lasting change or temporary satisfaction? Will this case become a precedent or just another protest?